Why do bad things happen to good people? The Quran gives us a powerful answer in the story of Musa alayhi salam and Khidr alayhi salam. One day Musa alayhi salam asked Allah who was the most knowledgeable. Allah revealed that there was a servant blessed with wisdom beyond appearance, Al-Khidr. So Musa alayhi salam set out on a journey to find him, traveling until he met Khidr alayhi salam at the place where two seas meet. And when they met, Khidr alayhi salam agreed to let Musa alayhi salam accompany him, but warned, "You will not be able to remain patient with me." Musa alayhi salam promised, "If Allah wills, you will find me patient." Their journey began. First, Khidr alayhi salam damaged a boat that belonged to poor fishermen. Musa alayhi salam was shocked. Why harm a boat that carries people? But Khidr alayhi salam only reminded him, "Did I not tell you, you cannot be patient with me?" Next, Khidr alayhi salam killed a young boy. Musa alayhi salam protested even more strongly, "You have killed an innocent soul." Again, Khidr alayhi salam reminded him of his promise. Finally, they came to a town where people refused to offer them food. Yet, Khidr alayhi salam repaired a crumbling wall in the town. Musa alayhi salam, puzzled, said, "You could have taken payment for this." At last, Khidr alayhi salam explained, "The boat belonged to poor men. I damaged it because a tyrant was seizing every good ship. The boy would have grown to be rebellious and causing pain to his parents, and the wall belonged to orphans. Beneath it was a treasure, and their father was righteous. Allah willed it that they grow and retrieve it when mature." Then Khidr alayhi salam said, "This is the parting between me and you. What I have done was not by my own will, but by Allah's command." This profound story is told in the Quran in Surah Al-Kahf, ayat number 60 to 82. Sometimes what looks harmful is Allah's hidden mercy. His wisdom goes far beyond what we can see.